Good evening. In today's session, let's discuss regarding newly constituted 16th Finance Commission. In fact, Finance Commission is important for every examination. Whenever we come across with the Finance Commission, the first thing that comes to our mind is the article in the Constitution that is associated with the Finance Commission. That we all know, Article 280. Clear? Number one. Number two, who is the chairman of the Finance Commission? Since we are discussing about the 16th Finance Commission, we are all interested to know the name of the great person who is the chairman of the 16th Finance Commission. And his name is Aravind Panagaria. Very important one. Kindly remember this. And this gentleman is not a new face to us, but he served as a vice chairperson of Niti Aayog from the year 2015 to 2017. Earlier it was a planning commission. Later it became Niti Aayog starting from January 1st 2015. And for Niti Aayog, the chairman is the Prime Minister, and next you have another important personality, vice chairman. And that vice chairman, the first vice chairman for Niti Aayog was Aravind Panagaria, and same gentleman today is the chairman of the 16th Finance Commission. Please remember this. Very important. I told you this point because since 16th Finance Commission is there in the news, related to the chairman, you may also get a question with reference to Niti Aayog, right? So these are the typical questions that are being asked in various examinations. Now, let's go ahead and look at Article 280. Since you all know about Article 280, very briefly I'll go through this. According to Article 280, the President has to constitute the Finance Commission before the 2 years of the commencement of the Constitution. Our Constitution came into force in the year 1950, and the first Finance Commission was constituted in the year 1951. And the Constitution says that the President has to constitute the Finance Commission every 5 years. Meaning every 5 years we will get a new Finance Commission, and every Finance Commission will have one chairman and 4 other members, altogether 5 members. All are appointed by the President of India. And if you look at the Finance Commission, the responsibility of the Finance Commission is to recommend to the President regarding the division of taxes between central and state government, and also with respect to recommend regarding grants in aid to be given from Consolidated Fund of India to the states. So these are the two important functions that are assigned to the Finance Commission. Apart from this, the President may also order the Finance Commission to perform certain things, and Parliament may by law can assign certain other functions to the Finance Commission. Meaning, Finance Commission is receiving the duties, responsibilities and powers from different sources. One is from the Constitution, second one is from the presidential order, and third one is from the law that is made by the Parliament. So please remember this one. And if you look at a question, I have a question for you. Kindly have a look at this. Two statements are given, and we have to find out which is the correct statement. Both may be correct, both may be wrong, one may be correct and one may be wrong. Clear? And this is related to which of the following statements is or true regarding the functions of the Finance Commission. Clear? So the duties of the Finance Commission are mentioned in the Constitution. Number one, the powers of the Finance Commission also conferred by the Parliament by law. That's it. So obviously our answer should be option C, and both A and B are very much correct. Clear? And let's see whether it is correct or not. Yes, option C is the correct answer. Clear? I'll show you the pic of this gentleman. So this is Shri Aravind Panagaria, the first vice chairperson of Niti Aayog and current chairman of Finance Commission, and the number of this Finance Commission is 16, hence it is called 16th Finance Commission. Very important one. And if you look at this, he was also a trade economist who served as the first vice chairman of Niti Aayog. Another important name I would like to show you, Ritvik Ranjanam Pandey. He is the secretary to this Finance Commission. Clear? And when it comes to the term of office, important one, the chairman and other members of the Finance Commission shall hold office from the date on which they respectively assume office up to the date of the submission of the report, or October 31st, 2025, whichever is earlier. Meaning the commission has been constituted. Once they assume the office, they will continue in the office till they submit a report to the President of India. Fine. So once a report is submitted, the term comes to an end, or they will be continuing up to October 31st, 2025. What is the meaning? A deadline has been given to the Finance Commission that what are all the functions that you are supposed to perform, then submit the report to the President of India by October 31st, 2025. Why 2025? Because from April 1st, 2026 onwards, the 16th Finance Commission recommendations will be implemented. And also remember, from April 1st, 2026, the recommendations of the 16th Finance Commission are valid for 5 years. Very important. Clear? But I would like to remind one thing to you. When it comes to 15th Finance Commission, 15th Finance Commission recommendations are implemented for 6 years. Clear? And initially for 1 year, again another report has been submitted. Those recommendations are implemented from 2021 to 2026, meaning April 1st, 2021 to March 31st, 2026. Right? And very rarely it happens. Earlier also it happened. But otherwise this is valid for 5 years. That is the reason why if you look at the 16th Finance Commission, its recommendations must be submitted to the President of India by October 31st, 2025. So that you are giving a good amount of time to the government to incorporate these recommendations in the 2026 and 2027 budget. Clear? And that will be from, that is the reason why I say the recommendations of the Finance Commission, 16th Finance Commission recommendations are implemented for 5 years starting from April 1st, 2026 onwards. Kindly remember all these points, important for the examination. And I would like to show you something else also. Kindly have a look at this one. You can read this. So this is what I have already explained to you. 15th Finance Commission, November 2017. Chairman was N.K. Singh, and these may not be the questions. But the important point is that it first submitted the report, second report submitted later, and the first report recommendations are valid for 1 year, meaning 2020 to 2021, and the second report recommendations are valid from 2021 to March 31st, 2026. Clear? So kindly remember this. Fine. So that's all about the 16th Finance Commission. And below this video in the description, the courses that are offered by us have been given. you may please download the app and join accordingly. And I have also given my Telegram channel link. Please follow me through that so that you will be given updates from time to time. Thank you so much, and I wish you all a very good luck.